Yeah.
Yeah, and that's not including having to maintain that lawn.
Let's see if we
the
did
yard
everything
is
for.
an absolute mess because the trees that all fell. Yeah, we had all the storms, and it's just like over our head, and that basement got torn up because the dog was peeing everywhere and had to rip up the road. It's just over. Oh my God, after all that work she put into the house, and so she's like, oh, yeah. Yeah, so because the dog was alone and she was, I don't know, she shouldn't have a dog. She's not a dog person. That's it.
Oh my gosh.
Well, yeah,
We will please it.
she's looking for love in all the wrong places. She's hoping she gets love from a dog. I love my dogs.
I think animals are good.
They're dogs.
We got two more of these.
I'm like, you're not allowed to.
And
You
you
can't do that with
them
dogs.
under the bed.
You know? I don't want to get rid of Gus, and hopefully we're not going to, because him and Scooby,
Look at that. He's like
together. They lay together on the
couple-year-old.
couch.
Oh, don't want me.
I think Scooby would go into severe depression. That's what
Bye, bye.
people were. That's
Say
what
hi,
the